Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello to all of you. Let's start with today's topic. Today's topic is the Vajrasana full tutorial video I'm showing. After that, we are doing pranayam, taking a siddhasana position. Takes accurately siddhasana position, then doing a pranayama. Okay, let's start with the pranayama. Hold your Gyan Mudra. Hold your Pranayama Mudra. Let's start with deep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Get back normal position. Okay. Let's start. Straight your both legs. Fold your legs on back side. Touch in your bums. Okay. Then doing a second leg fold. Back side. And sit on your bums on your legs. Okay, should be check your knees touch in ground and your both feet stretches upperly. Okay, then close your eyes and take a deep breathing, and your hands palms place on your thighs or on knees as much as you wish. Okay, it is the Vajrasana. If you are eating on this position, fastly digest the food. Okay, then second doing, you can sleep on your back side, both hands take a spot on the floor and going to back side, and both hands slides into side and close your hands under the neck, over under the neck. Okay, please should be check your knees to be close and your knees touch in the floor. You can doing this type of a Vajra asana. Sleep on this position as much as you like. Okay, the knees to be keep tight and close together and should not be raised from the ground in the lying position. Get back normal position. Okay, inhale, exhale. Now open your legs. Firstly one leg open, straight the legs, second leg open and straight the leg. Okay, then I'm doing a side view of a Vajrasana. How see Vajrasana on a side. Your feet stretches. Okay, then doing second leg same. I am saying you Vajrasana right techniques. Okay, how to do Vajrasana, and I am saying you full tutorial of Vajrasana, and then next I am saying you benefits of a Vajrasana. You should be back straight and your arms into thigh. Then secondly, lie on back and your both arms slide into a side, then making a grip on your neck. Your thighs should be touching ground. Okay, I'm showing in video. This type you can make a grip and take a rest into 5 to 10 minutes. If you are doing a daily, you have gain more benefits of a Vajrasana. Just relax, take a deep breathing, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, normally breathing, doing. Okay. After 4 and 5 minutes you can take rest. Get back slowly. Your both hands open into side. You see in video I am doing now this type, and close your hands and support the ground and get back. Open your legs, both legs. Okay, it is the Vajrasana, and now I am showing you back view of a Vajrasana. How see back side view in doing of a Vajrasana. Okay, your both feet are doing this type. As much as you like. Okay, sit on your feet this type. Straight your neck, straight your back, and both hands open into a side. Slide slowly, control your breathing. Okay, then I will show you how to make a grip on a neck. You are seeing in video this type. Okay, if you are not understand how can do, you can comment in my comment box. I will reply in the next video. Get back normal position. Open your hand and close your both arms on your abdomen side. Close, close, slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Open your legs. Okay, it is the back view of a Vajrasana. Now I am showing you second side view of a Vajrasana. Now I am showing you benefit of a Vajrasana. What are the benefit of a Vajrasana? You can daily doing a Vajrasana. how many benefits you can gain. Okay, now let's talk Vajrasana. Your knees should be touching ground. Okay, let's sing Vajrasana benefits. Feet, legs, stomach and chest more beneficially. You can sit on this asana and eating your meal, then your meal fastly digest in your stomach. Okay, this is the mostly benefit of a Vajrasana. Many persons has problem of a digestion, so they can doing a Vajrasana. See in my video. Any doubt, any question, you can comment in comment box. Okay, strengthens the body, removes disorders of digestion and sex. Okay, strengthens the body, removes disorder of digestion and sex. It is the totally I am showing about of Vajrasana techniques, benefits and methods. Okay, now get back normal position. It is the complete of a Vajrasana topic today. Now we are doing a next exercise. Any person feel disorder in your feet, after that doing a Vajrasana, you can doing feet rotation, feet swings. I am making the video already in my YouTube channel how to feet swings. You can go now and watch after this video. Okay, you can place leg on your leg muscles and rotate your feet anti-clockwise, clockwise. If you are not able to doing this type, I am showing you next move. You can just fastly move your slowly feet. Okay, then doing this, one leg your knees this type and rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Your disorder will remove. Okay, so it's the complete of a Vajrasana. Okay, so let's end with the pranayam, taking a position of a siddhasana, doing a pranayam. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, get back normal position. We are doing a chanting on mantra 3 times Om. Now start with me. Take a deep breath. Get back, rub your hand, you feel heat, then touch your face. Okay, thanks to everyone. So meet next video, next posture. There is no straight line of greatness. Hello to all of you. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks.